Hi everyone! Welcome again to my channel. Ayan, welcome to my new vlog, of course. Another vlog, another panty, of course, panty haul again. So, I really like the colors today na gusto kong ipakita sa inyo. I bought this from the mall, okay? So, I have here black. Of course, black is beautiful. This one is so naman to siya. And the one naman is, ayan, green. So let's focus this first. Okay, this one is I bought for 40 pesos. Ayan, so nakita nyo, I really like those panty na may seem like this. Ano to, ribbon. There is ribbon. Actually, this one is maganda siya. I really like the color. It looks like candy. At kung makita nyo, see, may design siya dito, like parang net something, ayan. And then as you can see, pack, diba? Maganda siya. It's very comfy, tingin ko ha. Okay, so ito siya guys, it's very nice, tanawa double na siya, and then I really like it kasi ito siguro yung mga sinaunang panty. Hindi ito yung mga yung mga big cut dito sa puwet nito paingaan nito same na gamit ko ngayon. Same na gamit ko ngayon. Oh yes, same na gamit ko ngayon. Yung parang pak ganon. Pag masuot ko naman yung ani, makita pang ganito siya guys. So, yung suot kong panty ngayon is parang ganito siya. Okay. So, diba maganda siya? Pak ganon. Okay. So, the one also, this one is a little bit cute. Cute ni siya guys because anong size nito is large from Sorella. Dili di so in Sorella di ay Sorella, okay? So ito siya, maganda talaga yung pagka-cut niya. Ayan. So ganito siya. Ito yung parang partner dito sa damit ko. Ang ganda. I like this one, it's black. Ayan, so maganda siya. Very nice also. Syempre, maganda din yung kanyang garter. So, diba maganda siya? O sige, isusuot natin to guys. And as you can see, wow, very sexy. Iba yung kanina kasi malaki yung mga cut di big cut siya. Ini kasi napaka-low cut siya So maganda yung this is 6-year I think than the other one. Pero I like the color with the other one also. This looks like candy. Diba? Sige, suot natin to. And then ito kasi siya, I like this one kay there is ribbon. This one is no ribbon, okay? If you have ribbon like this, I feel like it's sexy, okay? Sige, suot natin to. So guys, ito na nga ang aking green. Yung parang candy green siya. Or, this is mint green guys. Ayan, di nakita nyo, maganda talaga siya dito. Very nice ang kulay. Very, ayan. Nakita nyo naman, ang ganda. And then, ang ganda ng fittings niya, of course. Ito yung sinasabing ko sa inyo na ribbon. Ayan, yung ribbon, diba? And, ayan, pak. Maganda talaga siya, guys. Actually, I don't like for me I don't like to wear this kind of everyday wear kasi makapal siya. I don't like it. I like the lower cut or just like tibak like that. I like it. This one everyday, I think no. Kasi makapal. I like the smaller cut. Pakita ko sa inyo yung itim. Ayan, the black one, okay? Sige, basta ganito siya guys, ha? Diba, maganda? Sige, yung isa naman suot natin. So guys, this is the black. Ayan, nakita nyo naman. Maganda talaga. This is my everyday wear. Ayan, yung sinasabi kong look at dito. Yan, ang gusto ko. I really like this when it comes to everyday wear. Ayan. So, maganda siya, look at. Very good quality, of course, Sorella. And, yeah, this one, napaka-cute niya talaga. As in, very, very cute niya. And then, yeah. Ayan, makita nyo, guys. I have a lot of same cut with this, guys. Gray, ayan, or maroon, ganito. Maganda talaga siya, guys. This is my everyday wear. Ayan. Kita talaga ang taba ko dito. Nagpapawisan ako, guys. Very hot. So as you can see, maganda naman siya. And then, I really like also the quality, of course. And, makita niyo siya guys, very very good. Ang kanyang tela, very comfy. And you can do more, you can move more with this. Okay, so, don't forget to like and subscribe. And of course, to comment below if you like the video. Thank you and I love you all guys.